How to solve the problem of yellow stipper damaging network cable cores? When I strip the cable normally, the network cable appears to be in great shape from the outside. However, under a microscope, the cores of the cable are actually severely damaged. First, adjust the angle of the yellow stripper to its maximum. Then, use a lighter to gently heat it. Be sure to control the heat carefully. The purpose of this is to increase the angle of the pressing plate and the expansion coefficient of the yellow stripper. After heating, let's try stripping the cable again. The main reason the yellow stripper tends to cause damage is because network cable specifications vary greatly. You see, after heating, the yellow stripper strips the cable perfectly.